Are your Ram 1500 exhaust tips misaligned? Let's fix that now. Welcome back to the channel. It's 2 bolts. When I say 2, 1 on each tip. You can adjust it where you want. We're gonna show you the measurement difference. It's not big, but it's there. So we're going driver's side first. Well, it's warm, we just moved it. 1 5/8.
Okay.
Passenger side, 1 7/8. You can tell this one's lower, so we're gonna adjust it and move them up. And we're probably gonna wait a minute because they're hot.
What tools are you using?
All right, we only need a couple things. We already used the tape measure, but you might need that again after your adjustment, right?
Sure.
Second, we're gonna use a 13mm socket.
1-3.
And we're gonna, in this case, we're gonna use the impact.
And a good old set of mechanics gloves.
Oh. All right, we got our tools. Move the camera for you guys so you can get an angle of the bolt right here. This is the bolt to adjust the rear tips here. Just gonna back that off a little bit. There, see, you can move it. So now we've got it loosened, but see, we can move the tip around. Actually, I'm gonna tighten it even a little more because it's falling down. So we've adjusted it here. We like to look a little bit higher tucked up like this, even spacing in the sides. Let's step back and look at it. Oh yeah, that looks much better. For reference, show that one.
Wow, that's significant. It even tucks it more forward,
Yeah,
in.
It looks better all around. Now we gotta hold that still while we tighten. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so after the adjustment here, new measurement, I'm measuring it the correct way this time from the bottom up. Remember I was measuring this way last time? That's kind of hard to do, duh.
Well, it's harder to do because it stuck out funny.
Yeah, but anyways, so we're about a 1/2 inch. That looks good to me. All right, we got those tips adjusted. It very much helped to have a second person to help you eyeball that while you're adjusting and holding on to the impact wrench and whatnot. So thank you, Shelly.
Of course.
That.
Happy to help.
With that, they look like a lot better to our eyes. So feel free to adjust them however you like. If you want them to point all the way down, go for it.
No one's stopping you.
One thing to think of though, and we'll watch this, we did put these a little tight up here. There's possible they could bump depending on how rough of a road you're on. So keep that in mind. We'll keep an eye on it. That, have your tools. Like we said, the impact, the 13mm, help to have the 1/2 inch extra manual ratchet, and then your tape measure. Oh, and the blanket helps too when you're on the dirty ground.
Exactly.
And gloves. You can tell we don't like to get dirty. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps you out. Later.
Bye.